Hello guys, in front of me is HUAWEI P40 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications on this device. So let's start from open the settings, and right now we have to go to the notifications. As you can see, there's the option app icon badges, and you can choose dots or numbers, and of course just turn off the badges for every application available on this list. Also hide notification content, so notification content won't be shown while your phone is locked if you of course turn on this marker. So right now any notification will be shown. And of course there's also more notification settings like wake screen when we receive the notifications here, and notifications on the status bar. So when we just turn off this option, we will not get ever any notifications on our status bar. And yeah, this is how it looks on this device. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.